Want to scan documents with your Android? Let's do it in 4 quick steps. Step 1. Open your camera or a scanning app like Google Drive or Microsoft Lens. Frame the page so edges are visible, hold steady, and tap the capture button. Autocrop will detect edges. If needed, drag corners to adjust the crop. Step 2. Rotate and straighten the image using the rotate or crop tools. Use enhance or filter to improve contrast and remove shadows for clear text. Step 3. Add extra pages by repeating the capture, then tap Done or Save. Choose Save as PDF, select page size, and tap Export or Save to create a file. Step 4. Name your file, pick a folder, and share via email or cloud storage. Final tip. Scan on a flat surface with even lighting and keep your phone steady for the best results. Most apps like Google Drive and Microsoft Lens are free and include OCR and export features. That's it. For steps to scan, edit, and save PDFs on Android. Try it now.